Welcome, everyone. Based on countless hours of research and independent studies, we have formulated and selected the best products of this year, saving you time scrolling through hundreds of internet websites and numerous trips to stores looking for that right product. We have compiled a list of the top recommended products. With great attention to detail, we have analyzed every product's value for the money spent, features and functionality, and also customer and expert reviews when we selected the best products. Spending a few minutes to watch this video about the top recommended products of the year will allow you to formulate a more decisive decision. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
The Hoover Air Cordless Handheld Vacuum powers through cleaning with fade-free, cordless convenience. Powered by our Lithium Life battery system, everyday cleanups around your home are quick and easy. Use the crevice tool to get into tight, hard-to-clean spots with ease. Or attach the motorized turbo tool to pick up hair and debris on furniture or stairs. And with a long-running battery and large-capacity dirt cup, you can get the job done with fewer interruptions. Plus, it fits into our Air Cordless 2-in-1, sold separately, for extra versatility to clean carpets and hard floors. The Air Cordless Handheld runs on the same technology that powers our full-size vacuums. You can even use the same battery from other Hoover Lithium Life cleaners in this one. And we've protected your purchase with a 2-year limited warranty that covers not only your cleaner, but also the battery that powers it. The Hoover Air Cordless Handheld. Powerful, versatile, cordless.